I have heard so many times, betrayal feels harder than losing someone you love. Is it true? Think about it. When you lose someone you love, and I am not minimizing that at all, I have lost loved ones. When you lose someone you love, you don't question the love. You don't question your sanity. You don't lose the ability to trust. Betrayal is so hard because it shatters everything. It shatters not only life as you've known it, but the self, rejection, abandonment, belonging, confidence, worthiness, trust. They all get shattered and they all need to be rebuilt. When I did my PhD study, it was on betrayal and something called post-traumatic growth. And for those who aren't familiar, post-traumatic growth is, if you can imagine, kind of an upside of trauma, how that trauma, death of a loved one, disease, natural disaster, whatever, leaves you with a new insight, awareness, perspective you didn't have. But I had been through death of a loved one and I'd been through disease. And I was like, betrayal feels different for me. I didn't want to assume it was the same for all my study participants. So I asked them, if you've been through other traumas besides betrayal, does it feel different for you? Hands down, unanimously, they said, oh my gosh, it's so different. And it's because of the intentionality, because it feels so intentional, we take it so personally. So it didn't quite qualify as post-traumatic growth. So I coined a new term, post-betrayal transformation. What is that? It's rebuilding your life and yourself after an experience with betrayal. And what I can promise you is when you move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, you will find that you not only rebuilt your life, but you did rebuild yourself, and you rebuilt a strong, confident, healthy version of you that never would have had the opportunity to be created if it didn't happen. When that happens, that's trauma well served. So follow me for more, and I hope that helps.